So, got this Vauxhall Astra 2011, and the fault with this car is when you turn the key on, and when we, let me just keep that quiet, and when we turn the vehicle on, even before turning it on, you saw it said DPF full, and then we've got this lovely light over here flashing as well. Let this oil thing go. Here we go. That's what comes up. And for this, I'll show you the best way to do it is by resetting the sensors and then doing the regen. Otherwise, if you try to do the regen, it will not work. It'll just ping you back out of the option anyway. To reset the DPF, turn the engine off, ignition on, and then if you're using an hotel, then you just click on hot functions and then DPF, and then you do this one here and this one at the very end. So we'll reset them and then do the regeneration, because then you won't kick us back out of it. So now it says turn the ignition off. It'll automatically detect it. There we go. It'll count it down. After this, it'll finish. So here we go. Turn the ignition on. Lovely. It's done that section. So we'll come back out of this, and then we'll go into the DPF reset over here. So yes, continue, confirm. Now by doing this, it will instantly reset this, but that does not mean that the DPF is clean or fixed. So I always recommend just doing a regen after it, and then this will help it and solve the problem. So now it's done that as well, so we'll just go into DPF regeneration. But before doing this, if you remember, I said I have reset the sensor. So if you look at this now, that light and the DPF will go away completely, and if I start the car, there'll be nothing there and nothing should flash up. It's because we've reset it. But like I said, that does not mean it's fully fixed. So what you need to do is come out of this, go into DPF and then the regeneration. Okay, these are just the hazards of what will happen. Worst case scenario, I'm happy with it all. Continue, that's fine. Here we go. It's revved it up, and then it goes through all the sensors. Condition not satisfied. It will do in a second once it's all good at the right temperature. So the regeneration is properly active now. It'll go on for about 15-20 minutes maybe. As you can see, there's a lot of blue smoke. Now you can try this on the motorway, but you'll never get this result. It's just funny how the system works on the machine. Well, this is what happens. As you can see, it's heavily blocked, I'd say. The regen's still going. Here as well, we'll just keep an eye on the temperature, which seems to be okay, and this is the sort of rev it will be at for about 15-20 minutes. Like I said, on here, when it's happy with everything, it will then just stop, and that'll be it really. We're 5 minutes into it and still getting the same result as first place. I mean, it's Vauxhall, what do you expect anyway, so yeah. Regeneration has finished. It's just in this cooling phase now. As you can see, smoke has gone-ish. Well, it's diesel, so what do you expect? So it's all finished. I have gone through everything, and I've done a full diagnostic scan on the engine. There we go. So if I pause, no faults are coming up anymore like it used to. The fault code that I had, if I remember rightly, was P2463. which was the soot content. As you can see, it's passed no issue. And on there, change oil soon, which I'm not bothered about, but if I don't know how to use these, here we go. Yeah, no more issues on there.